Stupid. Okay. Tonight was nuts. I feel like she would be so shocked she would say ugly things.
And then, okay, Ethan, we're gonna run the dance so you can see.
Go ahead.
Breathe up, breathe out. Look to your left, look to your right. Reach with your arm and push your face away. Turn, turn, and down your right arm and touch your costume. Beautiful, soak it in. Tender hand up to the mirror. You love it, it's beautiful. Good.
Cut.
Reset, everybody.
Any lower to the ground, or does it feel awkward?
No, I can.
Okay. If not, no big deal.
Yeah.
You just gotta sink.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
It's not like a huge. You don't have to be like this. Just kind of sink a little bit.
But just
That's
call
all.
it out.
Okay. Word.
3 minutes till we roll. 3 minutes. Does that feel okay for you? So anytime you're reaching forward,
Like I know she's Darsham J. Yeah, Karen.
all right, we gotta roll. Here we go. Last clap. 7, 8. Breathe down. Look to your left and your right. To your left.
There's a difference.
Yeah, and your boundaries are valid. If you don't want to open up for me, that's fine. I respect that boundary. But then I don't need you in my life. Is that the boundary? Oh, hi. I'm talking to the jewelers.
I got it. Sleight of hand.
Especially this.
No, it's so good. It's so sick. I'm so glad we found this channel.
Yeah, this is sick as fuck.
So cool. Let us know if your shoulders start to hurt.
Honestly, no. It's like really nice because it's like kind of like it's like a weighted blanket.
Yeah, that's exactly.
It's also like cold, so it's like a little comfy, but something's right about this.
So I'm thinking we're gonna go chainmail first, and then Ethan's gonna be brainstorming stuff for eyes.
Okay.
Beautiful. And if you guys need to know my
Yeah, actually, I think we sort of had you like right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, wait, should we look at time?
And then Ellie, stand up on it because we see the flag.
Yes. Hey.
Let's try it.
I'm just recording already. I don't know.
James, I'm so sorry. I was such a blind, stupid child. I had no idea that we felt the same. It's crazy how much things for a person can matter when they're only in your life for a short amount of time. I guess the most important things don't last very long. Last night, I had a dream. I was on stage and I was all alone. And I was terrified, but then I saw you in the audience and I woke up to tears. I just want to say thank you. I hope you're doing well, and I'm doing good too if you're wondering. It might sound weird, but I hear your voice in my head all the time, telling me to calm down, breathe, or whatever, but now it comforts me. And I know I'm in the right place no matter where I am. We might not have been meant to be together, but we were meant to meet. And I'm so glad I somehow dragged you into acting and you decided to go to that audition. You changed my life, and I'll forever love you for that. I'm comfortable with who I am now. was so hard, and it still is at times. I don't think it'll ever not be hard, but it feels good to know you're going through the same thing. Thanks, James. Benny.
What the fuck? Yours is so bad. I'm sorry. It's so good. Oh my god. Benny, I wasn't sure you would show up. I don't even know where you live now, but I really just wanted to give you this in case words failed me as I approached you. I'm so grateful to you. I'm so grateful to the little love we shared. It was because of you and your quiet understanding and your kind eyes and your overall existence that I am the person I am today. I can't thank the universe enough, or the stars, or fate, or whatever placed you in my little 18-year-old life. I can't thank you enough, in general, for simply embracing me as I am. A questioning and terrified little girl who was so angry for God knows what. Maybe I'm rambling. I just can't express my gratitude enough. I hope you are safe. I hope you feel loved. I hope you feel seen. I hope you feel so beautiful in whatever it is.
Hi guys, we're ready for all of you.
Okay, can we just have like 5 minutes, please?
Oh,
we
sure.
need 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, bye. Sorry, so let's keep going.
I hope you feel safe. I hope you feel loved. I hope you feel seen. I hope you feel so beautiful in whatever it is your life entails. I hope you continue to feel embraced in care and understanding for all the days of your beautiful existence. If you're ever in town, I wouldn't mind grabbing coffee sometime. I have a feeling we have a lot to catch up on. Love always, James. P.S. I think you would like the song For You by Laura Merlin. They love each other so much.
And come out.
As pink as cotton candy, I've seen you fly around me. Well, I've been holding on to my midnight blue.
I was like excited because I was like, and then everyone was all sad. I was like,
Do you want me to take the berry just like this, or do you like, is it you putting it in my hand? Is
that is.
We have a new battery from the case. It should be in the walk. We're on channel 1.
The poem, the voiceover is on my drive. Plugged into
Are you running audio now?
What's his friend?
It's right here.
Sophie's just having a moment on the
Are you overwhelmed right now?
I just overwhelmed by emotion.
I look like I'm 17. That's why I get casted as a high schooler all the time.
Super tiny shots, super simple. It's just your hands pulling your hair.
Okay, you know what?
Both of you.
We're not in it, it's just our hands, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Who is not a twin? All you do is lie to me. All you do is lie. There's no way he's a twin. Yeah, get over there. He's a liar. He watches me cry. He gets me vulnerable. I get upset with him. I trust him with my feelings. And then he tells me he's a twin? Something's fishy over here, Evan, if that is your real name.
Sus. Very sus.
Suspicious. Welcome to my detective review.
Almost, yeah.
Where's the battery?
Battery's in green.
So,
Always in the battery.
Oh,
Do you have a specific berry you want?
Right.
So we could cheat that back if you want to like camera here looking straight.
Yeah, I would like to cheat it back.
all right, what am I holding on?
Put some on my finger.
I feel good.
Yeah.
All right.
I'd rather use this instead of gloss. 'Cause this is a little bit less.
dope. That looks really good. That looks really good.
Okay, cool.
Everybody settle! Yeah, well, can we bring him down a little bit? Yeah. Well, I really like
I know. I knew it. I was like, went up to him. I was like,
Question for y'all.
hey.
Howdy.
Is this the mic
You're
cam?
behind the scenes.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm very emotional.
Are you?
How are
It's
you
okay.
feeling? You feel good? You like how everything looks?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's weird. It's like
Yeah?
a projection of my own brain.
Okay, so it's coming together is what you're saying.
It is.
Okay, that means I'm doing my job, right?
That's right.
It's beautiful. Let's see. You better be getting it.
I did the move you said. Just waiting.
Okay, copy. I don't know.
Breathe in and out. Cut.
That's so good.
Oh my god.
Okay, all right, let's move on to.
They're looking at each other across the stage.
But I thought they were looking like this.
But why would they stand like this backstage? Like they're waiting to walk on.
They're like one like this and one like this. But they could have just
But that's also not the shot. That they're straight on. Remember the pictures we have? In
Yeah.
The shot list. It's like literally from the side. It's like literally like side profile.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I remember it being like this.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
And then let me know.
It is. Yeah. This.
See? Yeah.
Yeah. Side profile.
They are faced towards the curtain, like their body is towards the curtain, and they look to the left.
No.
This is what this is.
That's not what I want. That's not what I want. I want side profile. They're looking at each other. They're standing like this to enter stage. They're not looking like this. They wouldn't do that on stage.
So that they're supposed to look like straight at each other?
Yes. Yes. Straight at each other. Yes. Straight at each other.
Kind of weird.
No. I'm confident about this.
Okay, I mean, you can see what it looks
Because
like.
like when I did theater, I was here's the stage. Yeah. You're waiting to go on. You would always stand here and like look at each other and be like, hey, across the stage.
You know, from my experience, we'd always stand like this, break it open, and just step out and be like,
Right.
this first.
Before the curtain opens, there's
Right, but it's okay. We can do your idea.
Okay.
I'm not saying we can't do it. I'm just trying to.
Because we also just got them looking. So I think like on stage, right? From this.
So you want, and now, okay, and if we try to do up a profile, we decide, are we going to break 180?
Camera. Okay, action. And Evan, step into frame. And Theo's shaking the chainmail. You're telling him to breathe. You do something silly to make him laugh. Cut. What's your cut? Yeah. Yeah. We got it. All right, May. You like that?
Is that a wrap on day one?
That's a wrap.
Everyone needs to sit down! Sit down, Peruto! That is not an option! Everyone must be sitting!
And then Theo, come lay down.
Should we do, what's that challenge where they're like everyone's frozen?
Oh, mannequin challenge.
Yeah,
It's like weird positions. That's a whole.
Yeah, can we get Black Beatles playing during the zone?
sit the
Did you do receive all you were?
I need everyone to settle!
I love that you told.
This is 1 minute of your life! Please don't move!
Day one, brother. How'd it feel?
Felt good, dude. I was so scared, but then doing the fantasies first with no dialogue or anything
Yeah.
made me feel so much better. And now I feel more confident going into dialogue scenes.
You can tell a lot about an actor by how they act in like no dialogue scenes, and you're a good actor, I can tell.
Thank you. It's
Yeah.
my first time.
Hey, Kelly? Going faster? Okay.
Seriously?
Ellie.
Oh, Evan. Talent is not supposed to be helping with Junie. But that's fine, I guess. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I think like right as he's starting that line. Right?
Okay, who's is he speaking before or are they speaking before?
He's speaking into the kiss. Like his line triggers the kiss. It's then move not while my prayers affect I take.
Okay.
Cut.
That was perfect. Yeah.
Alright,
That felt good? Yeah. That was perfect.
The 3 sides, go for a take! Last looks. Alright, pictures up. Sound. Camera.
Cut.
It's a cut. Let's yes! Oh my god, that's so cool. Hey, Ellie.
Cut.
That's a cut.
What about the...
Yeah, we'll have to get a stinger. Green room looks excellent, by the way.
We had James kind of like sitting on the couch, and we had Benny just go back and forth between the table, between his vanity and the couch. Just kind of just walking like this.
Okay, and are we looking at it this way or that way?
I would say this way. What do you think? For the move around, you know, when he's like in his manic episode.
Yeah, I mean, that's easier, right? To just-
I would say this way.
Also, though, we do see him coming in through here. So that would be flipping the 180. Okay. Well, do you want to break the 180 then? We can do that.
Well, could she sort of just like walk, like, because we know the orientation of the room now, right?
Right.
So couldn't she sort of just like...
Just walk past
She
it?
can just walk past him.
That works.
Yeah, I'll put it in.
Close the window now that we don't need that extra.
Jen, I think, oh, Jen just stepped back. Let me ask.
Okay. Explain everything.
Okay, so she's sitting down and starts doing her makeup. And then we see Betty in the background starting to watch her doing her makeup. And she looks and notices him for a second, and then he looks away. And then she keeps doing
What
it.
if we use this mirror for Benny?
Oh!
That would be sick.
Yes.
Okay. God, I love my brain sometimes.
Yes.
Is that working at all?
Let me flip monitor for you. I know you're getting a shot of this. Apologies.
It's okay.
Yeah, the makeup bag.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And we can sheet them up.
You can sit in.
Okay, there's Ben.
How are you guys feeling? Good, how are you feeling? I'm good. Good.
I really like the last shot.
That last shot was like the most shot.
Probably my favorite one I've gotten so far.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Time to shine.
Time to slay.
Time to slay.
Get him.
And then Dougie will have you like open the door and also your like exit. Like you're off to go do something else now.
Oh, okay, so boom boom and then just...
Alright, are we ready? Yeah. Perfect. Slay! Okay, we're ready.
Okay, quiet on set. We're going for a rehearsal.
I think so that it fits, but the thing is, when we had this shot, there's
Yeah.
no like empty space.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you might want maybe put it back.
Yeah. Could we do that, Jen?
Is there garbage?
Could we like push all the they kind of smush all the costumes to
Oh my
one side? Would it make sense to like to tilt the mirror, like put something behind the mirror to have it lean forward more, or is it gonna smash down? Let's see. Because didn't we see like she kind of pushes it out of frame?
Yeah,
so
she
we really
needs-
see where it ends up, right?
Right.
Okay, so then she needs to do it. So the
As they walk over
Right.
there.
That was my question.
Yeah, we can do that.
Literally my biggest dream in life, I don't even care about like being successful, like or being financially stable. If I could just like be a recurring character or a guest star or just a writer on Sesame Street, like that's like my dream. Hi Stevie.
Hey!
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm well.
And we can make them go as slower as fast.
He could walk out of frame, throw it away, and then we could catch their reaction. And then he could walk back into frame. Because right now I'm worried if we follow him up to throw it away, we're going to catch all of this lighting up here.
Yeah, we can do that. Let's just catch the reactions.
Because Theo does like sit down right here.
Up to y'all. So, okay, here.
He could like throw strict down
Yep.
and come over.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
I
he
see.
might.
I didn't know how to say that. And you wanted to do it, so just fucking do it, bro. Just fucking stop yelling at me.
Okay, that's where it is.
Yeah.
After Evan does?
Yeah, so I would run through your little thing.
Sorry.
Pay more attention sometimes. You want me to
Yeah, camera will be active.
fucking dramatic? Don't tell me to stop being dramatic. I'm a fucking actor.
Look over. Camera move. Stomp over.
And what are you doing? Stop.
You care about your shitty stage, man.
Costume react. Hold.
I just see the reverse. We both just see the reverse. Come on. If you're ready,
Cut. That was a good one. Yeah.
Okay, let's be quick and then we can hop upstairs.
Yeah.
Cool.
Fun.
I'm excited.
So we have time to do both there.
Yep, full shots?
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
for sure.
That wide coming in, that's the one I've been really wanting. So I'm excited we can get that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
hell yeah, how do you guys feel?
Sad that Evan's
Yeah, in this room.
Oh my god, we can break this room down. We're done in this room.
Did you rip it off already? Like, I feel like I've done this.
What do you mean?
It's already coming down, isn't that weird?
No, don't break it down.
I want to live it. Do you want it?
Yeah, I live here now. I live here now.
Why don't we live here? Why don't we just move in?
All I need.
Go in the summer probably.
Yeah, I mean, I might want to wait till at least the fall so that we can all be together and watch.
And watch it, yeah.
Those are like 9.
What's happening with lamp after production?
You want it? You can have it. For you.
Really?
A gift from my gaffer. Of course. Do you want anything
I want
else?
the dolly.
You can have anything
The
you
dolly
want.
grid.
If we can get blocking.
Where's Theo?
It's the second time I've caught you on camera on the floor, by the way. Both of them have been recorded into your archives now.
Eyes on Theo.
Anybody who is watching this is going to know emotionally you had breakdowns when things move forward.
Everybody's gonna know.
People are going to know.
It's forever.
It's forever.
Forever no.
It's forever now.
Damn, it's hot in here too. Sorry, this is a private conversation. I can just.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm on a call. Can everyone clear out? I'm on a call.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
No, I know.
Aim for that. Keep that in your gun.
Okay, do it now.
Yeah, I think so.
People like people.
Yeah, we can't. Oh, we can zoom in.
Give us like your natural walk to like your vibe right now. Like, yeah, walk how you feel like you would walk to this scene right now.
Me or James?
Well, James. Come on, step, please. Go ahead.
This song line?
Yeah, go ahead. Word, yeah, that's kind of what I was looking for. Do you think we can do that, or do you want a hand on that?
I can do it.
Feel like it actually was.
Yeah.
So don't worry about that. I would mostly just focus on speed.
You look so fucking cool. That's cool. Like you look so cool.
Me?
Yes. Oh, action.
That's great. Totally. Cool. That was great. How do you guys feel about that?
Love it.
All right. We can run a roll and then we can watch playback.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Love it.
Let's do it.
Do it.
That lip, Sum 41.
Oh, fuck yeah.
No.
Okay, we're catching him.
Sure.
And then we'll stop at the poster center.
Sure.
Theo walks out. Being inside this classroom and we weren't sure if we should add anything. Yeah.
You look so cool right now.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Don't hype me up like that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Theo. I can get you in frame.
Oh,
Not you.
no,
My pig.
They're peg. Oh.
Okay, let's do a rehearsal.
Action. Cut. Cut.
Camera cut.
Oh, yeah. All right. All right.
Yeah. That's a wrap!
The taste of it. Okay.
Yeah, we're
It's
set.
gross. It's gross. Okay, mine's really bad.
No, it's not.
But Evans is really fucking good. I'm gonna bomb this out on your face. Gracias.
We love.
Salamat po. Yeah, I knew you would get that shit. Okay. Stupid. Okay. Tonight was nuts. I feel like she would be so shocked she would say ugly things.
Okay. I can't wait to hear the rest.
I don't know how I feel or how I'm supposed to feel. Anyways, does it even matter? Benny and I broke up. But I think I love him in a completely different way. It's like my eyes have just seen him for the first time and just seen me for the first time. Tonight was amazing. I haven't even called Jean yet. I'm just so, I don't know. I don't think I've ever felt as beautiful as I did tonight. In front of all my stupid peers, on a stupid big stage, with my tiny fucking mustache. I'm really terrified, but I think I'm more excited. There was something that clicked into place, and I would have never known it without Benny. I really love him. I really know that I want to love myself. I have no idea what I'm looking for, or if I can grab it, but I know that I'll find it. I'm gonna call Jean now. Bye. Star, James.
Oh, nuts.
No, stop!
That was really nuts.
Alright. Stupid. I've never felt a pit in my stomach so heavy. It was like a black hole sucking the rest of my body into itself. I've never wanted to cry so bad before. My eyes are like ever-growing sponges sinking into the Atlantic Ocean. I I've never wanted to punch someone in the face while simultaneously crying to their shoulder. I've never felt this much before. I don't know what to think. But I'm not alone, and that's nice to think. Tonight was beautiful and terrifying and disarming and exhausting. Me and James aren't together anymore, but I guess that's how it should be. I loved her and I hated her tonight. I wanted to kill her, I wanted to be her tonight. I wanted to be her tonight. And I was, or at least I was Juliet for a little. I've always wanted to be, I guess. I just never knew until now.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna cry again.
No more, no more.
I'm crying.
No more.
A little bit. Just a little bit. Stupid. Can I have the letter you wrote?
And the whole notebook. Everything else that's in there is just like my lines written over and over to memorize them. So you just read them.
If I can read your fucking handwriting.
Yeah, good luck, honestly.
Benny on Boysenberry Night.
Yeah, that's what I wrote. Just sign it.
Sign it. James, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, can you read it?
I can't read it, baby. Okay, yeah, James, I'm so sorry. I was such a
Blind child.
stupid child. I had no idea that we felt the same. It's crazy how much this or a person can matter. How things or a person can matter when they were, when what?
When they
were only in your life for a short amount of time. I guess the most important things don't last very long. Last night I had a dream. When you said that, you guys watched the video, I was just like,
my God.
Last night I had a dream. No! I was on stage all alone. Did you watch it? Are you watching
in the audience?
What? Have you been watching the video?
No, I didn't. It's just burned in my brain instantly. Sorry.
But it feels so good to know that you're going through the same thing. Kenny. Stupid.
So stupid.
Stupid. Stupid.